how effortlessly that blends. And because you're watching today, you can tap the shop icon right now for an exclusive
Streaming
discount.
platforms now use AI to place targeted products directly into content you consume. AI agents are becoming employees for hire. Purchasing decisions are shifting to new ecosystems like ChatGPT, where recommendations happen in conversation rather than search results.
Okay, based on this comparison, the second option is clearly the winner. Alexa, save this configuration.
Meanwhile, prediction engines are evolving into sophisticated systems that anticipate your needs before you express them. AI-augmented commerce is becoming intelligent and contextual, and TikTok Shop
Look at the sales,
is
you guys.
exploding.
They are going crazy. We are selling out of the gloss so fast. And this necklace is 20% off right now, so grab yours.
Come to Age AI to find out more. This Friday in Kitchener and the 20th in London.